2026 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.